So that's the train, that Inspiration Museum train, 200 years, and we are going to attend. Okay, so today we are taking to the high street, and on my right side is the station, and let's go. And then on the left side, when you come out from the station, on the left side, and let's see. I mean, we have been here so many times, but we never get a chance to go for a high street. Today, and Southport railway station. So today we are going to cover the Southport railway station and also the high street. We have a booking for 12:30 for Southport railway station to cover the museum. That's the high street. We never got a chance to look into this high street. Yeah. That's last time. No body. Yeah, that's the Southport station. Let's just go for a walk here. But this is the Southport station. Okay, Southport station is still in the market. Okay, so this is the Southport station, you can see here, and so you can see the trains going to Preston, and then Hindley, Salford Central, Manchester Victoria, Manchester Airport, and also Liverpool Southway, Hunts Cross, Liverpool Central. That's the street. There is sale on clock. Hugo Lounge. Yeah. That's a Spanish restaurant, Hugo Lounge. Very famous in Southport. 70% off. There's a lot of sales going on in High Street. Yeah, go. Yeah. TK Maxx there. Go. We can go straight and then come back. See this marketplace shop. We went there from the other side, but we did not come here. TG John's. So let's take to TG John's.
Oh, so that's the market. Come on.
Car factory, time hard. Yeah. Today is sunny weather, but we are. I think we are. Yeah, we are. January. Today is January 20. So January 10th January.
And that's the Lord's Street.
And that's the Lord Street.
Okay.
And we are in a freezing temperature of again -2, minus.
Yeah, it's -1, -2.
Yes. So that's the Lord Street, right? Yes, please.
It's a very strong
I'm gonna go there from that street. Subway.
She did write Chelsea well.
So we have been here in the Lord Street.
Yes.
Came here. We never realized that. Yeah. You have Subway here also. We have been here before many times. We never got a chance to look into this. So this is a famous museum. That's the museum. Yeah. That's the famous museum, Atkinson Museum on our. We came here last time, you remember? We, was this, you could have seen that. You see this Atkinson Museum?
It's a very big museum.
And that's the Lord Street.
Yeah. That's again like really good places to eat.
Yeah, here you can, there's many pubs and restaurants, you can come here for eat and, you know, drinks and snacks, a lot of restaurant here. Promenade, yeah, if you go straight, we will be reaching Promenade. But today we are covering High Street and then 200 Inspiration Museum, and we'll see if we get a chance, then probably we'll have a look at Atkinson Museum.
Yeah.
red light. There's Costa.
Yeah. Well, no, every time I've been, I've gone through with that.
Well, we are walking in a -2 degree temperature. Well, can have a look. So here's Primark, TK Maxx, all those high street showrooms you will find here. Marble Place.
That's the main one.
Yeah. What time? It's 11 now. 1 hour. It's a lot of time. Yeah. Clearance is everywhere nowadays. Usually find clearance you find everywhere. It's chicken nuts. What a big This is another food hall. Yeah. You don't need anything. You don't need anything from M&S. That's the Centennial Bank. Yeah. Everything's there. And we are back to Southport station. Yeah, we don't know. Not since I guess you're right. Yes. Yeah. Correct. Yeah, that's the option again. So here is nationwide. And more on this. Yes, Seafront Ocean Plaza, Crosstown. We have been here to this place so many times. I mean, we still have 1 hour left. Let's see the museum and continue. Okay, so where are we doing the lunch?
So
It's going in here. Tell Britain, yeah, who marked this monument? That's a nice monument in Southport.
yeah.
Yeah.